2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392. And if you guys have been watching the videos, you know this is my favorite color. One of these days I'll get one. Still got factory converters there and there. It's got less than 5,000 miles on it. Factory 3-inch X-pipe. Then he brought his own DYNOMAX bullets. Bullets, not pellets, bullets. And then we got the flaps that engage and disengage depending on the sport mode. And then you got rear mufflers there and there, or resonators, whatever you want to call them. And factory tips right there. Oh, baby. Decibels again. 114, 115, and these are the two that we took off right there. Dodge, baby. I love old cars. I don't mind. As long as they sound good. No mufflers on them, we're happy.